So, hello, good morning, everyone. So, we are there on the chapter number 1. Okay, so the chapter's name is Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Account. In the last lecture, we had saw what is meant by partnership as well as the accounts and the statement, that is trading account, profit and loss account, partners capital and balance sheet. Okay, even we have saw adjustments which are related to the final accounts. Okay, today we will going to see the hidden adjustments. Okay, so as the name hidden means the adjustments which are there but which they are not there with the adjustments they are there in the trial balance itself. Okay, with the items which are there in the trial balance. Okay, that's why they are called as hidden adjustments, क्योंकि ऐसे adjustments है ये जो trial balance में होते हैं, किसके साथ, आइटम्स के साथ होते हैं, राइट। और बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो ये एडजस्टमेंट्स को सॉल्व करना भूल जाते हैं, फिर वो ढूंढते रहते हैं कि फाइनल अकाउंट टैली क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, राइट। और अगर हो भी रहा है तो वो गलत अमाउंट पे टैली होता है, बिकॉज दिस हिडन एडजस्टमेंट्स वो हिडन रहते हैं एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दोस हिडन एडजस्टमेंट एंड यू हैव टू do the calculations. Okay, so what are these hidden adjustments that we will going to study today. Okay, so one by one we will going to see all these hidden adjustments. Now the very first one is salaries or rent paid. In on bracket you will going to see for 10 months rupees 20,000. Okay, so if in the trial balance it is given salaries, and in the bracket it is mentioned over there for 10 months. So it is nothing but a hidden adjustment where you have to do some calculation and you will going to get your correct answer. Okay, so salaries, it might be given with the salary adjustment or it might be given with the rent. Okay, तो अगर ब्रैकेट में अगर आपको सैलरीज या रेंट के ब्रैकेट में ऐसा कुछ मिला, then it will be an hidden adjustment. Okay, so what is said, salaries and rent paid for 10 months rupees 20,000. तो ये information आपको दी है. Now how many months are there in a year? We are having 12 months, right? Now here it is mentioned whatever salary is given, it is for 10 months. कितने months के लिए दिए? It is for 10 months and amount is given 20,000. Now in a year we are having 12 months, which means salary जो amount दिया it is given less. 2 महीने का salary इसमें add up नहीं किया है, right? So you have to do the calculation and you have to find out the 2 month salary amount which is not given in the trial balance. Okay, so how to solve it? So you can see on my screen. So this is the calculation which is done. Okay, so now जो 2 month की सैलरी आपको नहीं मिली है, it will be called as an outstanding. Okay, क्योंकि वो अभी तक वो अभी तक पे करना बाकी है by the firm, right? So it is outstanding salary because 2 months salary is yet to be paid or 2 months rent yet to be paid. Okay, so how to calculate it? So it will be outstanding salaries equals to 10 months. Now for 10 months, how much amount is given? 20,000. How much amount is given? 20,000. Then for 12 months, what will be the amount? Okay, so that will be a cross multiplication. 20,000 multiply by 12. Okay, and it will be divided by 10. So there will be a cross multiplication, that is 20,000 into 12 divided by 10. Then you will going to get the answer 24,000. Okay, so for 10 months the salary is 20,000 and for 12 months the salary should be 24,000. Okay, which means 4,000 amount is given less for the salaries. Okay, for the salaries to be paid. So that is nothing but outstanding. So this 4,000 will be added to the salary and the second effect will be shown in the liabilities side of the balance sheet. क्योंकि सबको पता है outstanding का second effect कहाँ जाता है? Balance sheet के liabilities side. Okay, so this is the first hidden adjustment where the adjustment, if with the items in the trial balance, if anything given like this with the item for 10 months, for 9 months, for 8 months, which means that is an hidden adjustment. Okay, so you have to calculate, do a proper calculation and you have to get the amount. Okay, so यहाँ पे ये जो hidden adjustment है ये basically outstanding कहलाएगा because 12 months के लिए amount आना चाहिए था 24,000 पर आपको अमाउंट दिया गया था फॉर 10 months, which means 2 months का अमाउंट कम दिया गया था. So by doing the calculation, we got to know that 24,000 should be there, which means 4,000 still outstanding. इसलिए इसका फर्स्ट इफेक्ट क्या होगा, हम जो भी सैलरी है उसमें वो आउटस्टैंडिंग को ऐड करेंगे. एंड सेकेंड, बिकॉज दिस सैलरी हैज टू बी पेड और पे करना है, which means it's a liability. That's why the second effect will be shown on liability side of balance sheet. Okay, so I hope this is clear, and I want everyone to write this also in your book. Okay, so the salaries or rent paid for 10 months. Now, the second hidden adjustment is insurance premium paid for 1 year ending 30th June 2019, rupees 7,500. Now, this is the adjustment. Basically, it is not an hidden adjustment. It is given in the adjustment only, but it's kind of hidden adjustment. Okay, so what is said, insurance premium paid for 1 year ending 30th June 2019, rupees 7,500. Okay, now here हमारा जो ईयर एंड होता है वो क्या होता है, इट इज 31st March, राइट. हमारा जो ईयर एंड होता है वो क्या होता है, 31st March, राइट. सो फ्रॉम अप्रैल टू 31st March, ओके, फ्रॉम 1st April 2018 से 31st March 2019 तक कितने मंथ्स होते हैं, इट इज 12 मंथ्स. कितने मंथ्स होते हैं, 12 मंथ्स. नाउ इट इज सेड कि आपको जो प्रीमियम दिया है इट इज गिवन एंडिंग कब तक दिया, इट इज गिवन टिल 30th June. ओके, तो व्हेन आई कैलकुलेट तो यहाँ पे क्या पता चलेगा मुझे कि 1st April से 31st March, ओके, and then 31st March से 30th June, which means 3 months extra amount is being given on the insurance premium which I have paid. Okay, so 3 month extra मैंने पे कर दिया है. क्यों, क्योंकि मेरा ईयर स्टार्ट होता है 1st April को, my year ended on 31st March, which is therefore 12 months. Here it is mentioned, clearly stated by them that insurance premium is paid till 30th June, which means 3 months extra is being paid. क्योंकि मेरा ईयर एंड खत्म होता है मार्च में और प्रीमियम पे किया है मैंने 30th June तक, यानी कि अप्रैल, मई एंड जून, तो 3 मंथ्स का मैंने एक्स्ट्रा पे किया है. देन फ्रॉम दिस इंफॉर्मेशन यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट जो 3 महीने का एक्स्ट्रा पेमेंट आपने किया है, राइट. अब इसको किस तरह आप करोगे, ओके, सो द कैलकुलेशन इज देयर, 7,500 into 3 divided by 12. What will be the 7,500 into 3 divided by 12? If you will see over here, you can know, you will going to get the answer. Okay, so जो आंसर है वो आपको कितना मिलेगा, इट विल बी 1,875. कितना मिलेगा, 1,875, which means ये जो 3 months का हमने एक्स्ट्रा पे किया, इट विल बी नथिंग बट इट विल बी अ प्रीपेड. इट विल बी अ प्रीपेड, क्योंकि हम अगर एक्स्ट्रा कुछ पे करते हैं तो वो क्या हो जाता है, या टाइम पीरियड के पहले अगर पे कर देते हैं तो वो क्या हो जाता है, prepaid. Okay, so for my year, accounting year 2018, 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019, this will be a prepaid insurance. और वो कितना आया है, it is 1,875. Now what will be the two effects? पहला इफेक्ट क्या होगा, क्योंकि प्रीपेड है तो प्रीपेड क्या होता है, हमेशा लेस होता है, राइट. सो इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम में से आई विल गोइंग टू डिडक्ट दिस 3 months amount. Okay, so it will be insurance premium 7,500 less prepaid insurance 1,875 minus करने के बाद whatever answer will be left, it will be shown in the second column. Okay, second effect will be shown on the balance sheet के asset side में, because it is a prepaid insurance. Okay, so two effect, if the insurance premium is paid for any extra month in a year. Okay, so I hope this calculation is clear to you, how to find out this prepaid insurance. Okay, these calculations are small but बहुत प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करते हैं जब आप एक्चुअली में फाइनल अकाउंट सॉल्व करने जाते हैं. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस हिडन एडजस्टमेंट्स. Now the next one is advertisement expenses for 4 years, rupees 4,000. Okay, so in the trial balance, sometimes it is given to advertise, it is given advertisement expenses और bracket में it is given for 4 years. Okay, so इससे आपको पता चलना चाहिए कि this is an hidden adjustment. Okay, so if anything is given in the bracket, then it is a hidden adjustment. Okay, so what is said for advertisement expense for 4 years, rupees 4,000. Now our accounting year is basically for 1 year. Okay, but here it is clearly mentioned that whatever amount is given, it is for 4 years. So सबसे पहले आप what you have to do, you have to find out the amount if 4 year is there, and you have to find out the amount for 1 year. Okay, now what will the calculation then? It will be amount of advertisement divided by number of years. Okay, so amount of advertisement is how much? 4,000. Number of years कितना है? 4. Okay, so it is mentioned over here. Number of years कितना है? It is 4. So what you will do, you will going to divide this 4,000 with 4, then you will going to get the amount of 1 year. एक साल का कितना होता है? It is 1,000, which means whatever amount, extra amount is there, which is 4,000 minus 1,000, तो कितना बचा? 3,000, which means the 3,000 is the amount of the next year which is added in this expenditure. Okay, so it will be nothing but it will be an prepaid. Okay, वो ये भी क्या होगा? It will be a prepaid because my year is of 1 year. The amount is given for 4 years, which means 3 years extra expenditure, extra payment is done. Okay, and the 3 years extra payment is how much? 3,000. So what will be my calculation now? It will be advertisement expense 4,000 less prepaid because I had paid 3 years extra, so less prepaid 3,000. Outer में it will be 1,000. Now many a time what student does, वो लोग क्या करते हैं? They write advertisement expense 4,000 less prepaid 1,000 and outer में it goes 3,000, which is wrong. Okay, हमें 3 साल का 3,000 है. We want 1 year, right? So it should be advertisement expense 4,000 less prepaid 3,000. तो आंसर वी वांट इज 1,000 क्योंकि हमें एक ही साल का एडवर्टाइजमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर चाहिए और यहाँ पे 4 साल का एडवर्टाइजमेंट दिया है, राइट? तो एक साल का कितना है? 1,000. दैट्स व्हाई द आंसर आउट शुड बी 1,000 बाय डिडक्टिंग 3,000 from 4,000, right? But the adjustment will be yes. So you are not supposed to reduce the 1 year amount. You have to reduce the 3 years amount. Okay, to get 1 year amount. Okay, so 4 years 4,000, 3 years 3,000, 1 year 1,000. Okay, so the amount will be 1,000. This should be your answer. Whereas the prepaid is 3,000. Okay, so you have to reduce what is prepaid. You are not supposed to reduce the answer which should be there for 1 year. Okay, so keep this point in mind. Now what will be the two effects? The first, whatever prepaid amount will be there, it will be deducted from advertisement, that is debit side of profit and loss account. And second, because it is prepaid, then it will be shown on asset side of balance sheet. Okay, so I hope this point is clear. Advertisement expense, agar bracket mein it is given something like 4 years, for 2 years, for 3 years, or for 5 years, which means it is an hidden adjustment, and you have to find out the then prepaid which is there by doing the calculation. Now the next one is, next hidden adjustment is 10% loan borrowed on 1st November 2018, rupees 30,000. Now this is a hidden adjustment which is there in the trial balance. Trial balance में आपको दिया जाता है बहुत बार 10% bank loan, bracket में दिया जाता है when it is borrowed. Okay, so this is the hidden adjustment. This is an hidden adjustment of interest on loan. कौन सा hidden adjustment है ये? Interest on loan, because it will clearly mentioned over here. What is said? 10%. क्या बोला है? 10%. Okay, which means it is an interest on loan, and you have to calculate this hidden adjustment. Okay, so how the calculation should be done? So interest on loan equals to amount of loan multiply by rate upon 100 into number of months upon 12. Okay, so what is the amount of the loan? It is 30,000. उसको आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 10%, क्योंकि इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन कितना बोला है 10%. ओके, अब कितने मंथ्स के लिए कब बोरो किया है लोन? 1st November, and my year end is always 31st March. मेरा year end क्या होता है 31st March. So from November till 31st March कितने months होते हैं? It is November, December, Jan, Feb and March. It is 5 months. Okay, so 30,000 with 10% for 5 months. Then I will going to get the amount of interest on loan that I have to pay is rupees 1250. Okay, so this is the hidden adjustment, and this is the way you will going to calculate and find out the interest on loan by yourself. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to find out the amount, then how much percent of interest is there, and when is the loan is borrowed. Okay, so 30,000 पे 10% for 5 months, क्योंकि नवंबर से मार्च 5 months होते हैं. Okay, so the amount is 1250. Now what are the two effects of this adjustment? Here find out interest on loan. Okay, the first effect will be whatever loan is given in the on the liability side of the balance sheet, you will going to add on that loan, add to interest on loan. Okay, and second effect, because interest on loan is a expenditure. Okay, so it will be shown on profit and loss account के debit side में. Okay, so the two effects of interest on loan. Now the next is 16% investment. 16% investment purchased on 1st Jan 2019, rupees 24,000. Now again, this is an hidden adjustment which will be there in the trial balance. Trial balance में आपको दिया जाएगा 16% investment, bracket में दिया जाएगा information कब purchase किया है, right? And the amount will be given. Okay, so this again interest on investment. Okay, so this is the problem of interest. So 16% means you have to calculate the interest. Okay, so how the calculation will be done? It will be interest on investment equals to amount of investment multiply rate upon 100 multiply number of months divided by 12. Okay, so what is the amount of investment? 24,000. कितना percent interest बोला है? 16%. That's why 16 upon 100 multiply by 3. अभी 3 कहाँ से आया है? The investment is done purchase on 1st Jan. Okay, so 1st Jan को investment purchase किया है, right? So Jan, Feb and March, right? Which is there for 3 months. So 3 months के लिए investment है, that which means we will going to calculate the 3 months interest. Okay, so that's why it is multiplied by 3 upon 12. So what is the amount? The amount will get is 960. So 960 is the interest for 3 months, which will be added. Okay, so first effect क्या होगा? It will be added to investment asset side balance sheet. Investment कहाँ आता है? Balance sheet के asset side में, तो उसमें ही आप ये interest को add करोगे. Second, it will be shown on credit side of profit and loss account, because whatever interest you get on investment, it is an income for the firm. Okay, so it will be shown on credit side of profit and loss account. Okay, so two effects of interest on investment. I hope that this is clear to everyone. Now the next is 10% government bond, rupees 12,000. Again, this is an hidden adjustment which will be there in the trial balance. So as in from the name itself, 10% government bond. अगर ऐसा पूछा है तो definitely it is an hidden adjustment, and this 10% is nothing but the interest that you have to calculate. So this 10% is the hidden adjustment which you have to calculate. Okay, again the same interest on government bond equals to amount of government bond into rate upon 100. Now here date is not given कि कब investment किया है. Okay, so there is no need to mention any date. Okay, so directly you will going to calculate 12,000 पे 10%, which will be 1,200. Okay, so interest on government bond will be rupees 1,200. Now the two effects, first effect will be you will going to add this interest with the government bond, which will be there on asset side of the balance sheet. And second effect, you will be show this on credit side of profit and loss account because it is an income for the firm. Okay, so two effects of interest on government bond, which will be there with the government bond के question के साथ, which will be mentioned in the trial balance. Now the next one. Okay, so I hope till all the hidden adjustments are clear to you. So these are the some hidden adjustments which will be there in the trial balance, and you have to find out by yourself, and you have to do a proper calculation on that, because if any of the hidden adjustment is not done, या उस पे calculation नहीं किया, then might your balance sheet will tally, but it will be tallied on a wrong amount. Okay, so all this hidden adjustment is very important, and you should know, and you should do the calculation of all these hidden adjustments. So I hope these hidden adjustments are clear to you.